Hello students. So today we will see the subtotal in MS Excel. So what is subtotal in MS Excel? The subtotal command basically allows you to automatically create groups from a range of cells and use common functions like sum, count or average to help you to summarize your data. So basically, the subtotal function in MS Excel help us when we have data in various categories, and when we want to summarize the entire data in a particular groups, and we want to see the detail of the records group wise, then the subtotal function of MS Excel help us a lot. To explain these things, I have a data which is like present in MS Excel, which shows some brands, and the brand wise some like items are there, and its quantity that is sold out in a specific financial year, and the total amount or the total business was done from a particular brand. So suppose here with this data, we have three questions out there. Number one question says that display brand wise total business done. That means from the each brand, what is the total business have been done. As you can see here few brands given like LG, and from the LG brand, the products or the items like AC, fridge and TVs were sold at given this quantity, and it was the total business done by the brand LG. Similarly, from the brand Philips, these are the products and these are the quantities, and this is the total business done. Now, if you want to summarize this data by grouping the cell, like what will be the total amount or the total business done by the LG, and what will be the total business done by the Philips, then we can use the subtotal function of MS Excel. So before we proceed to the subtotal function, one point I want to clarify you here: the column on which you want to perform the subtotal function, at the very beginning you have to sort it. Say for question number one, we have to group the records or the rows brand wise. Question is given the display brand wise total business. So since the brand wise I have to calculate the total business, so the brand column we have to sort first. So as you can see here, the brand is already sorted. That means it is already in a particular group. Like first three rows are from the LG brand, then Philips, then Samsung, then Sony, and then Xiaomi. So the column on which you want to perform the subtotal function, that column must be sorted beforehand. So since our brand column is already sorted, so let us proceed to the subtotal. So subtotal function comes under the data tab. So click on the data tab, and in the right hand side you can see there is a subtotal button. Click on the subtotal button, the subtotal dialog box will appear. Now here, what is the question asked? The question is asked display brand wise total business done. So since our subtotal will be applied on the brand column, so in the first option at each change in the column name to be specified here. So our column name will be the brand. So click on the brand, the brand is there. Now second, you have to choose the function, which function to be applied here. So since the brand wise we are going to find the total business done, that means we have to find the sum of the AC total amount, fridge total amount and the TV total amount. So that will be the total business of the LG. So we have to find the sum of these values. So we'll take the function sum from here. Now in the third option, there are the list of columns where you want to apply the function. So the sum function will be applied on which column? Definitely on the total amount. So total amount is already selected, then you can click on the total amount. So once it is done, just click on OK button. Once you click on OK button, you can see the subtotal is applied, and here you can see the LG total is displayed here. This is the total amount or total business done by the LG. Here Philips total is given there, then Samsung total is given here, Sony total is given there, Xiaomi total is given here, and this is the grand total including all the brands. So this way the subtotal can help you. Now if you go for the second question, display item wise total quantities sold. Now we have to do brand subtotaling on item wise or item column. So let us first remove the previous subtotaling. It is removed. Now since second question, we have to apply subtotal on item field or the item column. So as I said, the column where you want to apply subtotal function has to be sorted out first. So let us sort the item column. Select the item column, go to home, and then sort and filtering, sort it in ascending order. Now you can see the item column is now in sorted order. Now go to data tab, go to subtotal, and then you choose the item column. Then here display item was total quantity. So total, definitely we have to find the sum total quantity. So AC, how many ACs were sold, how many coolers were sold, how many DSLR, how many earphone, how many fridge. So this total quantities you have to find the sum. So take the column item, then function will be obviously sum. Then in the selection of the column, just select the item. Sorry, selection will be quantity. We have to find the sum of the quantity. Then click on OK button. Then you can see the subtotal is displayed. AC total this much, cooler total this much, DSLR this much, earphone this much, and for all the quantities, all the items, particular quantity has been given. So this way your second question you can solve. Now for question number 3 again, it says that display brand wise total quantity and total business. So total quantity and total business. Here you can see there are two questions asked or two conditions are given. Number one condition is total quantity, that is also brand wise. Brand wise you have to find the total quantity as well as total business. So two conditions are applied in the single question. So let us proceed to do this. Before that, I'll remove the previous subtotal here. So it is third question will be on brand column. So just select the brand and sort it out. So our brand column is now sorted. So we will go to data tab, go to subtotal, and first let us do the quantity part. So we have to select the brand column here, then definitely the sum function will be applied because you have to find the total quantity of each product or total quantity is sold out by the brand. So quantity is there and sum, it is applied. Now once subtotal applied here, I just want to tell you here that subtotal is a function where multiple layer of subtotaling can be applied. As now if you see, I have applied a subtotal on the brand and here it is finding the total quantity from each brand. That means LG total is this much, Philips total is this much. Now keeping this subtotal active, if I want to apply again subtotaling here where I want to see the total business done, that means the brand wise again the total business also, this column also I want to find the sum. So that is also possible. So for that I will not remove the existing subtotaling, just I will go to subtotal, and then this time again our brand will remain same, column is brand, sum also will be there, but this time I am going to find this total amount. So here add subtotal to which column, subtotaling to be applied to total amount. Now select this column and click on OK button. Then you can see the total amount has been applied here. So here it is total amount is applied and the previous subtotaling was removed. It is because as you can see here at the bottom there are three conditions are given. The first condition says replace current subtotals. That means the current subtotal was applied on quantity which was replaced by the total amount subtotaling. So since I wanted to apply both the conditions, since in this question it is asked that brand wise total quantity as well as total business done, two conditions has to be applied here. So the first condition, suppose now existing subtotaling is showing LG or brand wise total amount, it is already done. So now what I will do, I will go with the quantity and I will uncheck this option replace current subtotal. I will uncheck it. So before it was checked, so that is why my previous subtotaling which was applied on quantity was removed and the new subtotal on total amount was applied there because this checkbox was on. Now I will uncheck this checkbox replace current subtotal. That will make sure that the previous subtotal which is existing subtotal will remain there and along with this the new subtotaling will be applied on quantity. Now click on OK button. Now you can see here two subtotalings are there. Here you can see two layers are showing there. So this is the subtotal which displays the quantity, that means total from the LG brand this much of quantity of all product was sold out, and from the LG brand this is the total amount of business done. Similarly from the Philips brand this is the total quantity was sold out, and from the Philips brand this is the total amount of business done. So Samsung total is this much, Samsung total business is this much. So this way the multiple layer of subtotaling also can be applied. I hope this will clarify your all the doubts on subtotal in MS Excel. Thank you.